Hi Node runners, how are you doing? We're here to teach you how to install your Dappnode app and how to receive push notifications in your mobile phone. So let's start with the process. First of all, we're going to the browser. In the browser, we type my.dappnode and we're in the normal login, so we need to use our credentials, the basic ones. Let's do it. And we're in the dashboard. So here in the left menu, we go to System, and in System we have the App tab. Here we have a small description, and you can actually check the installation guide we prepared for you. It's very detailed. We won't cover it in this video, but you can go to the docs and check it step by step. So we're clicking Continue at the bottom. Here we are. So we're starting the installation process of the app. Now it's loading, and we have the first step of the process, that is setting up the VPN before installing the app. If you are using Tailscale or WireGuard, it's fine. In Tailscale you need to set up a small configuration. It's also in the installation guide. And in WireGuard you are fine. You don't need to do anything. So once it is set up, you just need to click in the install app at the bottom. Let's do that. Here you see the pop-up, we click install, and we are installing. Now it's loading. It may take a few seconds, and the app has been installed successfully. We see the pop-up here, so we can open the app. I just click at the pop-up and the app is opening. An important step to have the push notifications is to grant permissions. So I'll click in grant permissions, allow. I'm subscribing my device, and my app is successfully configured. So we can go to finish. If you see here, I received my first notification that the new device is subscribed. And just to check that everything is well installed, I'll go to the desktop and I see my Dappnode app here. So we are ready, and this was totally successful. Yeah, thanks.